Hey everybody, I just want to clarify some things from class today. I realized that my definitions were confusing and one was actually incorrect, and so I apologize for that. I thought something was weird when I was talking about it, but I just was like, no, I wrote this lesson, I'll go with my gut. But I typed up the wrong definition, so please forgive me for that. So one-to-one is the main thing that we need to focus on. Onto is important, but it's not that important. So if you're confused with onto, don't worry about it. Just forget about it. But one-to-one is the really important function, or type of function, I should say. So I believe when I edited this in class, I switched the input and the output, but that actually isn't correct. That's just a function. I don't know why I did that. Sorry, guys, I'm having a rough morning. So a function is one-to-one if for every output there is only one input. That's a correct definition of one-to-one. So again, I don't know why I switched it. I don't know what was wrong with my brain. Okay, so a mapping diagram. Okay. We have A and we have B and we have C and we have D. Okay. So A is mapped to C and B is mapped to D. I think I got confused because I had the same definition for onto, but that's not what onto meant. I don't know what happened. Okay. But this is correct, I promise. Everyone makes mistakes, guys, right? Like Hannah Montana says, everyone makes mistakes. So this is one-to-one, okay, for this mapping diagram. A maps to C, B maps to D. Okay, in terms of a graph, we can have lots of different graphs. I'm just going to draw one example. We can have a radical graph like this. We can have an exponential graph. We could have a linear graph. We have a cubic graph. There are lots of graphs that are one-to-one, okay? How do we know? This uses a horizontal line test. Okay, this uses a horizontal line test. So, because if it fails a horizontal line test, that means that there are one output with two different inputs, and that's not a one-to-one function. Okay. An example of one-to-one example of not one-to-one. Let me just do a quick graph real fast. Oops, I don't want a highlighter. That would be a quadratic. Okay. It's going to always fail the horizontal line test unless I restrict a domain or something. But in generally, it's always going to fail the horizontal line test. And so quadratic is not one-to-one. Okay. In terms of mapping, X, Y, we have A, B, we have C, D. A maps to D and B also maps to D. That fails the horizontal line test. It's still a function, right? These two examples are still functions, but they're not one-to-one functions, okay? That's one-to-one, very, very important, okay? Because we're about to get into inverses. Onto, I wanted to include it because I thought it was interesting, and so I messed it up, I apologize. Onto is a function, an onto function is such that for every element in the codomain, there exists an element in the domain which maps to it. I'm not going to quiz you guys about onto. It's very confusing because now I'm adding a new word, codomain. So if you are like, I got one-to-one, you can pause the video here. If you want to know more, keep watching. So codomain is kind of like the range. It's kind of like it's all your possible outputs. Okay. So it's kind of like the range, but not really, okay? So what this is saying, though, is that every element in the codomain is mapped from something from the domain, okay? So here's my domain, okay? Let's say I have A, B, and C. Here's my codomain / range, so I'm just going to call it range, D, E, F. Everything's getting mapped. Okay, so this is an example of onto, okay? I'm going to skip the graph part because it's the easiest way to see this is on the mapping diagram. So example of not onto, and this is where the codomain comes into play. Oh, I mean, this is still a codomain, but here's where you'll see the difference between range and codomain, okay? So here's my domain, which I'm going to call D. Here's my codomain, okay? So D, E, F, G. Then my range would be D, F, E. Okay, so this is not an example. So this whole thing here is my codomain. And then technically I can add another like circle like this, and this would be my range, because those are the things that are actually mapped. Okay, so this is an example of onto. Okay, or not example of onto, I'm sorry, not example. This is onto, this is not onto. Okay, if you're confused by one-to-one, if you're confused by onto, don't worry about it. The main focus is one-to-one. So go back up to one-to-one and focus on that. If it passes the horizontal line test, it is one-to-one, because every output only has one input. Okay, and then you can see here in the mapping diagram, oh, A goes to D and B goes to D, not one-to-one. Okay, sorry for the confusion, guys. We'll talk about more in class tomorrow. Thanks for being patient with me. Bye.